I've been in the States. I wouldn't really say disappear. You know, I was undergoing surgery, recovering, you know, working on all the projects that I'll be releasing, because all the songs that I'll be releasing are already recorded. So, you know, it's just to orchestrate them, have them in order, and shoot the video for them. So that is what I was doing. I got a designer body because it was more personal than doing my body to please everybody, or yeah, it was more personal. And I was very petite. I'm very petite, and I had a very high stomach. I tried working out, I tried changing my diet, nothing was working. When I actually went to get my body done, I did the consultation and I found out that I had a huge hernia. Along with I had hormonal problems also before I found out I had the hernia. I decided what I wanted by just telling the doctor, like, listen, I don't want to look unnatural, you know. So basically, if you never know some have a high stomach before, you wouldn't know some do surgery. So I just tell him, say, just make me look as natural as possible. I am very happy I went and get it done. Fully designer body, yeah. Fully designer body, yeah. I feel more confident about myself, even though I've always been a confident person. High self-esteem and everything, but I'm more confident, I'm more comfortable, you know, knowing I can do anything, wear anything I want right now. So yeah, I am. Every man. The newest song right now is Sculpture. It's all about sculpture right now. Just released the video. The video is actually on Lisa Hyper Viva right now, creating a lot of havoc. You know, the whole femme-fatal, you know, the whole femme-fatal character, the whole femme-fatal fashion and everything, you know, is doing really great. You know, the man them go crazy because Lisa Hyper don't normally put herself out there like that. So Sculpture is all about sculpture, produced by Mineral Boss and Luco Rhythm. So I've been excited. My fans were very anticipated about the video, in suspense. So I just wanted to drop it to please them, and it's finally out, and I'm happy, you know, that they love it, because they really are one with it. Feel weird and all in market. Well, I've been affected by the pandemic because I can't get to do as much work as I want to, because, you know, our work can go up to 48 hours, 24 hours, and me have my time when I just living at the studio. Can't get to do that, you understand? Can't get to go out there, promote, you know, like how we used to. So it has been rough, but I know how to adjust. You know, I know how to adjust. So even though it affects me in a certain way, I still find ways for work around it. Feel weird and all in I think it's harder doing music more than before. Yes, I do. Why? Because there's a lot of competition right now. You know, the young folks, they might come up. You know, you have to come bigger and better, fresher mind, fresher sound. And you know, we Jamaica, we love new things, we love fresh sound. So as a musician, if you can't change up your voice and come up with some different something, you're going in a problem. Three most intense things about the designer body: the recovery, the fear before going in the surgery, and hoping and praying you don't come out bad. Well, my advice to anyone that wants to get a designer body, I will not encourage and I will not discourage. The choice is up to you. Fully designer body, yeah. Fully designer body, yeah.
a body eater, every man talk.
Biggest goal I want to achieve is to launch my brand, Plush, my sanitary napkin brand. So I'll be releasing a business, opening up a business with my own sanitary napkin. Yeah, Plush.